In this video, we will learn how to mute an account on Threads. So, let's get started. I have opened my Threads account. If you don't have one for Android, simply go to the Google Play Store, install the app, and create an account. If you are an iPhone user, you need to go to the App Store. Threads is closely linked to the Meta platform Instagram and additionally requires users to both have Instagram and use Threads under the same handle. I have randomly opened different posts to show you how to mute any account. Press the account you want to mute. Then go to the three dots in the upper right corner like this. You will get this menu. From here you can mute posts of the account you want to. See, you have successfully muted the account. Here you also will get different options like copy links, share option. If you want to share the post, you can do it from here. Then about this profile. If you want to know more account details, press this one, and mute, then restrict, and then block, and the last one is report. And the posts have vanished from your profile. This is how you can mute the posts on your Thread account. Hope you enjoy this video. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.